guys, and today we are going to be playing a game that my sister requested to me. Say hello, Liz. Hello. If you don't know who she is, go down on my introduction.
It's his sister, man.
So yeah, go down, if you don't know who she is, yeah, go down to
First video.
Twister video.
That's the first video.
Actually, it was the second. So, let's get on. I've been playing this, so I'm on to the garden, but right now I'll just do this, so it's better if you're on a higher level. Yes, I've destroyed the thing. Stop it. This guy's angry. I mean, imagine if your house was being destroyed by cats. That'd be so annoying. Imagine you've been out a long day at work.
Certain levels to break something.
Yeah, imagine you come home from work and then you find this happening. Your cat's destroying everything. Oh, look at that. No, not my fridge. Bean bags. I hate bean bags. Meow, 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 meow.
If you're wondering where I'm at the end.
Haha, the TV. Oh no, my TV. Who cares about your dumb TV, bro? It's a TV. Go buy another one. Haha. I roasted. Why? Because I want to. That's why. Thank you for letting me destroy this. Ooh, that art. I hate that art. My painting chairs. Yeah, this is fun. Thanks, Liz, for requesting this. Haha. Oh, what is this? Bathroom. Sorry if you hear crunching. I'm eating some thing. I'm destroying. I'm a cat that likes to destroy things. When we get to level 10, we'll go on to the next level. That one, so you can see the garden. And then once that's destroyed, I'm gonna end this video. Haha! Destroy! I've destroyed your windows. Your windows are gone. No. I don't want a speed coil. Oh, you think you could escape with low health? Nope, you couldn't. That's everything that's destroyed. So, wait, a game. No. There, we're back. Okay, we're in the gardens. Ha. You thought gardens was safe? No.
I'm gonna play Find the Code.
There's my trip to China. I don't care about your trip to China. Your trip with China, I don't care about. Oh, I'm going fast. Can we destroy the tree? We can destroy the tree. We just destroyed a tree. My my dad planted that tree. Yeah. I don't really... Flamingos. Flamingos. Ah. Oh, I'm gonna destroy this tree. I love destroying trees. Cat's climbing up trees. Step that to another level. Cat's destroying trees. Oh, this flamingo thought it could escape from the almighty cat. Oh no, he's happy. I want to get rid of these flowers. I want to go outside. Let the gates close. I think we need to be at the upper level. Wait, what's the next level though? Ooh. Da.
472 billion.
Wait, I got a great idea. Oh yes. Destroy that grass. Wait, does that mean we can escape? I'm going to save this level for next episode. Bye guys. See you in the next episode, I guess. Bye.